Day 3. What's it gonna be? Someone should take this wand away from me right now. Hello everyone, this is Toys Unlocked and welcome to Day 3 of our LEGO Harry Potter Advent Calendar unboxing. Yesterday we made a miniature Hogwarts, which was simply fantastic, and we're excited to see what's behind door 3. It appears to be another micro build, a little Durmstrang ship. Harry is so excited that he actually fell over. He cannot contain himself, so let's get building. I'm really impressed with the sheer number of pieces that are included in this Durmstrang micro build. I thought for sure when we unboxed the calendar that the builds would be more simple, but I'm finding they're far more complicated than I expected. But that's okay, it's really exciting to have an actual set to build each and every day. I think it would be more impressive if I knew the names of the pieces of the boat, but I don't, so I will have to name them myself. Right now we are building Peter, and as you can see, Peter is the back of the boat, the stern perhaps, but don't quote me on that. And Peter has this really ornate scroll under here, which is fitting, I think, for the Durmstrang ship. They seem like a fancy kind of people who would appreciate ornamentation. Now we'll move towards the front of the boat, which I think is called the bow, but I'm really amused by how this rocks. It has a little round bottom so it can float on the waves. Okay, now we're going to build the mast, and I am fairly certain that this part is called the mast. Again, you can see that rocking action when I let it go. And at the top we'll put a little clip if I can keep from collapsing the entire thing with my clumsy fingers. And we'll cap it with a lovely golden piece, again adding to the ornamentation of the boat. I have no earthly idea what the stick is called. Nick the stick attaches to that little clasping piece, and then we'll pop on the white sail. Now it can billow in the wind as they sail across the lake. Oh, I love it. Keep that out of the way while we build the very front of the boat. Again, I think that is called the bow. And I think the technical term for what we are building now is the pointy piece that sticks out. There you go. And there you have it. The Durmstrang boat is complete, and it is sailing across the waves, rocking on the water. And we can kind of pop Harry here on the back, and he can sail around. He's on a jet ski. Careful there, Harry. You don't want to lose your balance and fall into the water, and we know you fall over a lot. We have seen it in action. That was day number 3 of our LEGO Harry Potter Advent Calendar. Please stop by tomorrow for day number 4, and we can see what's inside. Bye, everyone.